Made of shock-resistant and heat-treated S2 steel for maximum strength and hardness. Ideal for maintenance and repair work. Manufactured in China. For taps 1/4 to half. Sliding handle with spring tension tap. May be extended full length in either direction for more leverage. Has positive grip knurled knot. Tap wrench 1/4 to half an inch T-HNDL. Wrench tap 1/4 1/2 IRWIN. Made of shock-resistant and heat-treated S2 steel for maximum strength and hardness, ideal for maintenance and repair work, manufactured in China. T-handle tap wrench, for tap 1/4 to half inch, features a sliding handle with spring tension tap, and may be extended full length in either direction for more leverage, and has a positive grip knurled knot. IRWIN tools are made of only the finest materials, manufactured to exacting tolerances. Top reviews from the United States. Got the job done. I accidentally stripped a bolt on my car seat and needed this to drive the tap in the helicoil kit I purchased. Worked like a charm, and I can have passengers in my car again.